Imagine a 30-megaton thermonuclear blast detonating directly over a single, isolated mountain peak. Outside, the surface instantly vaporizes into ash. But deep inside the solid rock, a secret military fortress remains completely untouched. This is the Cheyenne Mountain Complex, humanity's most absolute engineered shield against the total nuclear apocalypse. In the late 1950s, the rapid rise of Soviet ICBM ballistic missiles rendered all standard civilian and surface military bunkers completely obsolete. To survive a direct, sustained atomic strike, engineers required the most unyielding material on the planet, ancient Precambrian granite. In 1961, heavy blasting crews began excavating nearly 700,000 tons of solid rock from the very heart of the mountain. To absorb the violent shock waves of a nuclear detonation, the underground city could not be anchored directly onto the mountain floor. Instead, all 15 multi-story steel structures are completely isolated, maintaining a wide gap from the raw stone cave walls. The entire industrial complex rests upon a massive shock absorption network composed of 1,312 giant steel springs. Each individual spring weighs nearly 1,000 pounds, specifically engineered to neutralize catastrophic seismic shifts. When a nuclear blast hits the mountain surface, the heavy rock violently shakes, but the inner city simply sways safely on its foundations. This revolutionary engineering concept completely transforms a deadly tectonic wave into a minor, harmless vibration. The primary entrance tunnel is intentionally curved, forcing the extreme air pressure of a surface explosion to blow straight through the mountain and out the exit. To seal the interior, engineers installed two massive, blast-proof reinforced doors, each measuring over 3 feet thick and weighing 25 tons. Powered by heavy industrial hydraulic cylinders, these gargantuan steel barriers can completely seal the fortress shut in just 30 seconds. In the event of a total power failure, a manual system of heavy counterweights allows just 2 soldiers to fully close these monsters by hand. Every single gear, piston, and industrial seal is over-engineered to withstand the crushing atmospheric overpressure of a nuclear blast wave. By deflecting the blast energy away from the core, the mountain structure ensures that the vital brain of NORAD survives the first strike. To guard against the invisible weapon known as an electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, the entire facility is encased inside a continuous steel Faraday cage. Deep within the dark granite vaults, giant reservoirs contain millions of gallons of pure drinking water, carved directly into the mountain stone. Electrical power is generated by a series of colossal internal diesel generators, capable of running the independent grid for months. Advanced air filtration complexes constantly scrub the intake air, blocking out radioactive fallout, toxic chemicals, and biological threats. When completely cut off from the surface, the complex functions exactly like an underground space station, running independent life support loops. Every critical subsystem is monitored round the clock from automated control panels, ensuring absolute isolation and human survival. Inside this secure mountain lair sits the primary technological hub, processing real-time early warning data from global orbital networks. These electronic brains track every single aerospace object, analyzing potential vectors of missile attacks across the Northern Hemisphere. For decades, the garrison maintained constant combat readiness, providing leaders a vital window to authorize a retaliatory counterstrike. In 2006, due to high maintenance costs, NORAD temporarily moved its daily operations to an ordinary surface base. However, the rise of advanced hypersonic weapons and space-based EMP threats forced the military to shift critical operations back inside the solid granite. Today, Cheyenne Mountain remains operational, an immortal underground sentinel, frozen inside the stone, guarding the skies of North America forever.